Welcome to making our 6510 Skyline blouse with big collar. In this video, we'll prepare the big collar that is one of the main statements of this style. For a nicer finish, we will also show you how to do this using piping tape. First, iron on interfacing on one of your collar pieces. Now use the piping tape and lay it around the outer edges of your collar. At the corners, snip the tape once. Use a special sewing foot that will hold down the piping tape. At the corners, snip 2 more times in order for the tape to easily lay around the corners. Now place the second collar piece right side to right side on your first collar piece and sew around it, leaving the neck opening open. Use the former piping seam as your guide. Clip the corners diagonally. Turn the collar inside out. For a lovelier finish, we recommend understitching the collar, which means sewing the seam allowance onto your undercollar very close to the seam. The collar will lay better in the long run. Iron everything well. Now mark your center back with a snip with your scissors. See you in the next video when we will prepare the shoulder seams and attach the collar.